it don't matter what we.
The bag is all set for the journey and I'm all set too. Current weather update, we are running a bit late, keeping in mind, well, this is the weather and how everything is looking like right now. The plan is that we want to go to Snehagarh Fort, but I just hope that it's open, and because of the COVID scenario it might be closed, and my friend is actually waiting for me. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, current situation update, just over here in the apartment and waiting for my friend to come by. And just before I go for this trip, I'm gonna buy some stuff like, you know, what do you call, some water and some rehydration stuff, because we are going quite far and it's raining obviously, as you can see. So I told him to take the umbrella, and previous time I know he didn't take the umbrella, and it's gonna be troublesome vlogging in the rain. So right now we are navigating to Snehagarh Fort and it is approximately, let's say, 49 kilometers, and it'll take 1 hour 33 minutes. But I'll drive super fast and it won't take that. No. Say hi, bro.
Hi.
My old friend.
What's the news? Do we have?
Okay guys, we are in the petrol pump right now, and we are actually taking some fuel. Usually I would not advise you guys to fuel up the car, because the car already has some amount of fuel. Remember last time we fueled up,
right.
And then still they charged us for the fuel.
How much do we have?
Like 2 bars. I don't know whether you can, let me zoom in. We have 2 bars of
go for
fuel.
45 kilometers or something.
But that would be a bit risky. It's better we, you know, it's better we refuel for like 180. 180 would be good. All right.
What's the rate petrol?
All right. Let's see what the hell it is.
Yeah.
So the car is petrol, as you can see over there. Hyundai Santro MT. So 1 liter is 87 rupees. 3 liter डाल दो exactly 3 liter. अभी नहीं, आगे हाई बोलना, अभी बोलना है. Car refueled and we are ready to go. And guys, we are in a shop because I'm like really hungry, and I did take some food to just in case we don't find anything, because we are going to a fort and I don't think any food will be available over there. So I got my flex, but I forgot my powdered milk, so I sent my friend to get the powdered milk and some snacks. So let's see what he gets. Friend is with an infamous pink umbrella. You didn't get the cold drink. Oh, we have the cold drink. Coke, 0 calories.
This is actually not my umbrella.
Okay guys, improvising the situation, and this is how you need to, you know, travel and eat. He already had some cupcakes, and we're gonna head out in 2 minutes. That's enough, man. That's like too much of zooming in. Okay, cut it. And as you see, the lockdown is virtually over and the traffic has begun. What do you say?
Yeah, it's not over.
But it seems like it's over. Just look at the traffic. I mean, it's pathetic. We only have one way. Just take that, man. Just take that. Wow, is this lava? How do you feel?
I just want to enjoy this.
It's so windy over here. I don't know where we are, but we are somewhere in a hilly area, and I think this area is close to Hinjewari. And is it in the opposite? What about Lavasa? Okay. Let me just show you around the place, guys.
Let me be myself. Let me be myself.
Oh, can't see anything.
You turn on the light.
Yeah, I did. Can you see?
Yeah.
Maybe okay, this is the longest. Oh, the hill is on top.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, the hill is on top of us. 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4.
रंग गुलाबी है पीठ रो
Oh,
Well,
there's no
current
signal.
situation update, guys. We are just nearby the Snihagar Fort, and it's actually, let me just show you, it's actually closed, as you can see right over there. Alright, so over there they have stopped us and we can't go any further. So this is the current view, and it feels good. I mean, coming this far off, and but still, I mean, I really wish I could have gone over there. Really, I mean, the venture would have been a success, but I don't think it's possible nowadays to go anywhere else, and it's raining very badly. I have to go in. Anyways, guys, so tell me, Shankar, how much would you pay for 1 cup of chai over here?
If I get it for 5 rupees, I'll just pay 5.
But if you don't get it at 5 rupees,
Maximum I'll pay 200.
200, I'll pay 500.
And I'm being sarcastic.
Because this is probably the best weather for having a cup of chai, no matter how bad it is. And the venture is over, but still, I mean, it feels great. The air is really relatively a lot more fresher over here as compared to the city, and you just feel like, you know, you have that space, right?
Yep.
It's like refreshing, like literally. ये चीज़ क्या है, ये वाला? ये जो घुमा रहे हो? अच्छा, ये घुमाने से वो हवा देते हैं। कितना दिन ये बंद रहेगा ये?
अभी 2 महीने रहेगा।
पूरा 2 महीना। और कोई भी जगह, यहाँ पर एक फॉल्स भी है ना सामने? फॉल्स, वाटरफॉल्स।
वाटरफॉल्स ना,
हाँ।
वो मडी घाट बहुत लंबा है
वो खोला है?
हाँ, चालू है वो।
क्या नाम है?
मडी घाट।
मटी घाट। Muddy Ghat. Oh yeah. So over there, the hill which you can see, right, straight ahead, there. I mean, at night usually, like, you'll be able to spot, tigers. He said, like, just yesterday they spotted a tiger over here, and I was about to go.
How big
over.
was it?
Come on, yeah, tiger. I mean, regardless of the size, it'll eat you.
They might have mistaken it
So,
for a tiger.
no. Lions are, I mean, there are lions over in that mountain right over there. You can see. They're like,
Chosen this place to stay.
yeah, it's actually like a natural place. That's why maybe, really natural. What's that colorful thing? It's like, like they do black magic.
No, that's a bell. There's
No,
a
like,
bell
but
around.
the thing is like really colorful and everything.
Yeah, so you can spot it, right? You can spot it in the
Yeah,
dark.
okay, you can actually.
From a distance, you can spot it.
Yeah,
And
it's
that
like
bell is actually meant to, give the owner an indication that basically there.
Mo. Hi.
No,
Hi.
they don't make this sound. They don't move.
They don't move.
No.
What do they do?
I don't know. They make kind of a different sound, but I haven't heard about it. It
I'm not driving.
It burns the fuel, right?
I'm not driving.
No.
You have to drive.
I cannot drive.
You have already learned how to drive.
I am not driving until I have a license. I am not driving. I can only drive a learner's car.
Oh, end of journey. We are back home. Zolo Altius. It's really tiring, right? Who's this guy? He looks depressed. How he would understand a person is depressed or not? If his vision is down like this, he's depressed. Although yeah, I'm not depressed, but I'm really tired. Traffic is really pathetic. I mean, it doesn't seem like it's in the unlock phase. It's just normal. And now we're just waiting for these rev car people to come and collect the car. Actually, we took the car at 3 bars, and they had mentioned that if there would be a deficit, they would charge us for the deficit. Quick fun fact: if you are like taking a car and if you have 1 bar means more than 20 kilometers, like somewhere around 20 to 25, depending upon how badly you drive.
But 1 bar is definitely more than 1 liter.
Yeah, one. I think 1 bar is definitely more than 1 liter. Maybe I think it's like 2 liters or 3 liters, and that'll take you like 30 kilometers, even in the worst of traffic conditions.
I'm feeling hungry right now.
You're feeling hungry. Thank me. I carry everything. Actually, that's the magic bag over there. You find everything. चलो अपना कचरा उठाओ, ये सब उठाओ.
You have
If you can see, the tank indicator is on, and I don't think he'll be able to drive it till the ref car center.
They'll get 1 more car.
We actually have utilized the car to the optimum level. And that guy actually requested me. End of trip, and it has been a good experience just going out, chilling a bit with my friend, and currently just awaiting the ref car. But I just hope that the car stops while he goes to his center. What do you say? Would it stop? You'll be like,
There'll be a reserve, right? There'll be reserve.
there'll be a reserve, but how much? I think we have 1 kilometer. Let's go up. Current physique update. Well, did take the cap, but I didn't use it. Anyways guys, I hope you liked this video. Short and simple. I don't know whether it was short or not. And there you see the car resting in peace right over there. And if you guys are going to Snehagar Fort or any other places, I would recommend not to go right now because everything is closed. Anyways guys, I would like to end the vlog right over here. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Do mention your valuable comments, and yeah, if you have any recommendations, do tell me. Any video ideas, I would love to do them for you guys. So with that being said, take care, be happy, and you are fine.
So how do we do zooming and all? Like
Zooming like this, we zoom like this, and so it was like this, it was literally like this. You were doing it. So we have a guest over here in our PG.
So doing it live?
Yeah, I mean it's recording.
Achha.
Introduce yourself.
Yeah, myself Narayan. I am a CA working in Columbia Asia.
He has just completed his CA. I mean the most torturous. But describe your experience. I mean, how was your experience?
Like in CA?
Yeah, I mean studying and like when everyone is getting married.
Like I was feeling very bad. Like I wasn't able to clear my exams.
Yeah.
Simultaneously, I was also getting pressure from my family.
Parents,
yeah. To get
take up a job.
settled,
Take up a job.
very
I know. It's
typical Indian family.
Very
settled,
bad.
do marriage and all.
yeah.
Finally, I cleared my exams.
How many attempts did it take you to clear?
8 attempts.
8 attempts. Just the final, right?
Yeah, final. Rest I cleared him like quickly.
IPCC you had cleared
I
like easily.
Yeah.
Man, congrats. I mean, and now he is getting like 50-60k salary.
Yeah.
So the starting salary right now for CA is
CA you can like 6.5 package.
6.5.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. And I guess CFA is about 10. But the hard work is relatively like a lot lower.
Yes.
And our field is more into like practicality rather than
Right.
bullshit, thing. I guess half of the things which you have learned, you don't even use it.
Right. Yeah.
Huh? Anyways, and tell us something about Bombay.
Bombay compared to Pune, it's very fast.
Very fast.
People don't have any time.
Okay.
Vada pav is famous, right?
Vada pav is famous across Maharashtra.
Okay.
Vada pav.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
famous.
Yeah.
And anything else?
About Bombay,
The climate
climate is very humid.
and Pune.
Sweating.
I mean, in comparison to
Pune is very
it's
chill.
very
It's
nice,
good, yeah.
right?
Mhm.
It's better. You need an AC always.
In Mumbai, for at least 8 months, you need an AC.
8 months.
Yeah,
Oh
yeah.
my! It's just like Calcutta.
And
Yeah,
I
it's
think
like-
during the winter also it doesn't get really
No,
cold, right?
no,
It doesn't get cold.
It drops to like minimum 23, 22. That's
Minimum
it.
23. The
He's all
bodybuilder.
You're getting a call.
Okay.